So I don't normally talk in our videos, but we got a M1000RR Gen 1 that's coming to our dealership today, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. 210 brake horsepower, I think on 1200 miles, just oozing in carbon. Aquaprova exhaust system. It's got a new generation rear tail tidy as well. I'll start it in a minute. Carbon wheels. Carbon rear hugger and chain guard. Quick shifter, which is phenomenal. Carbon winglets. You could have that in your lounge, couldn't you? Just looks mint. And then come up to the cockpit. Key. It's very tall. Once it warms up, it'll calm down a bit. There we go. It's just an absolute work of art.